What's going on, everybody? My name is Elijah and welcome to my channel. If you missed last week's video, then take a look down in the description so you can check that out. As I said last week, I've been working on some birthday presents. This week's video is for my buddy Kyle. Kyle's a big fan of the Alien series, and as you can see in the title, the thumbnail, and the logo somewhere in here, that's what the theme of this build is. Now, my personal favorite from the series is the first one. Alien is undoubtedly one of the most influential horror and science fiction films of all time. The movie has been recognized for its thematic analysis and reference to the Vietnam War, gender politics, and even climate change. But regardless of how you or anybody else interprets the film, one thing is for certain. In the director's own words, he simply wanted to scare the shit out of people because that's the job. 41 years later, and I'd say he's still accomplishing that goal. Anyways, here's what I built, inspired by my favorite variation of the Alien. Hope you guys liked the video. And if you do, consider dropping a like and subscribe so you don't miss out on any future content just like this. Happy birthday, Kyle. Enjoy, and see ya.